Okay, so again, for the system of inequalities, when we're trying to solve these, we're going to use these symbols. Again, shade below, shade above, decide if it's a broken line or solid line, and our solution is going to be the cross-shaded area. Oh, not what I wanted. Whoa. It went too far. That's where I want to be. Okay. All right, so you can see here that this is like, say, y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4, and y is greater than x minus 3. That's an example of what we're going to, say, work on. What you've normally done before with the graphing. Where do you start your y-intercept? You're using your slope to get you from that y-intercept to the next point. It's the same thing. It's just you're putting two graphs onto one line. And you're basically going to have two shades crossing over each other, and we're concerned about where the shades cross. The first one.
4.
Positive 4. Okay, so you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and you've got your dot there at 4. The negative 2 is your slope. And that's telling you negative 2 over 1. So that means like you're going to go down 2 and 1 to the right. So there's that point right there. Down 2 and 1 to the right. Solid or broken line? At this point, that's when I would look at those and I would say that's a solid line. Hopefully I've got that somewhere here. There we go. Okay, and then I'm not going to do the shading yet. I'll do the shading after I've got both lines drawn. Okay. The next one, where do I start? Negative 3. Okay, and I'm going to say the slope there, there's no number in front of the x, I'm going to say that's 1, 1 over 1. That tells me to go up 1, over 1. Solid or broken? Broken. Now I would look at the shades. And the shading here basically would tell me that I need to say, for like the first one, that's what? Shade below. Somebody was asking about this, so let me fast forward through that. Ah, give me my shade. There we go. All right. Obviously, you can see somebody was asking about a lot of questions going back to just how to basically do basic graphing. Okay, then the other one is shade above. There's that. And if I were to say like these are 4 regions, 1, 2, 3, and 4, where would you say the cross-shaded area is at? Region 4. Okay. Now, what does that mean? That means every point in that cross-shaded area is considered a solution for that system. Every point in that cross-shaded area, if I put them into both equations, would give me true statements. For example, there would be, I could take the point negative 3 comma 0. It can mimic a lot of the business models, and so that's kind of what we're going to look at. And so we're not worrying about the word problems now, we'll worry about them with the next section.
Why did you do negative 3 example?
Again, so here's another example. Again, start with your y-intercept, graph the two lines, and then just see where they cross shade. Okay, so we're starting at negative 1. We're going up 2 and over 3. Whee! That's going too fast.
Oh, but it's broken.